Hey guys, and welcome back to another Queen Forum video. In today's video, we're talking about a way that you can actually win $1 million. Wow. Yeah, so this is a pretty cool promotion that Boost Mobile has kind of going on. This is an exclusive in-store offer only, which I actually like when they actually do these in-store offers only. Yeah, I know with the whole COVID stuff right now, it's a little weird, but basically it's trying to, drive business to the local stores because that would make the local economy better, and also, the dealers would have better, more customers, should I say. And of course, be profitable for them as well. So I do like that Boost Mobile actually cares about their customers. Should I say now, I guess Dish, since as you can see the logo right here, Dish does own Boost Mobile. So let's get into it, guys. So if you go to phones and then in-store exclusives, you'll see this promotion as well. As you can see here, it is, guys, scroll down a little bit, and this is actually powered by Motorola. So Motorola, I'm guessing, is the one that's giving away the $1 million. But as you can see, Boost Mobile $1 million sweepstakes. It says enter your chance to instantly win when you switch to Boost Mobile. So like I said, wow, this is some heavy marketing stuff. I haven't really seen a commercial yet. I mean, then again, I don't have cable. I have streaming services, so I haven't seen a Boost Mobile commercial talking about this. But I'm pretty sure everywhere in the store they have signage, so you just have to look for that. But if we go to offer details, so you can see it will be right here, $1 million sweepstakes, guys. So here's the rules and everything. Requires activation on eligible plans of $50 or higher and unlimited family plans. So first requirement, you have to activate on a new plan, either a $50 or higher plan. It could be on unlimited family plan as well. So that's pretty cool. In select markets / retailers, excludes BoostMobile.com or national retailers. So you cannot get this offer through BoostMobile.com's website or the national retailers like Walmart, Sam's Club, and Best Buy and all that stuff. For automatic entry, no purchase necessary to enter or win. Open only to legal residents of the U.S. and D.C. 18 years or older. Void in and basically, whoa, South Carolina too. Whoa, what's up with that? Sorry, I live near South Carolina, so. But here's the different states that it voids, which is, I guess, I don't know if these states just don't care about it, or it's against the law there. I don't know, but Oklahoma, South Carolina, Northern New Jersey, Las Vegas, Puerto Rico, and where prohibited. Wow. So if you live anywhere in these states, yeah, you will not be able to win or enter at all. So like I said, it has to do, I'm guessing, something with the state. I don't know. Sweepstakes starts, so it has started a while and it's still going on. So it will end on July 16, which is, about give or take 5 days from now. Well, about a week from now from making of this video. So it's not bad at all. A little bit over a week. So it did start, like I said, May 13, 2020. So it's been going on for a while, which gives a lot of people the opportunity to win that $1 million. It says for official rules and govern, visit, there it is, the website. Sponsors Boost Mobile. So pretty cool, guys. What do you think about that? Like I said, you can, just basically from what I'm seeing, you would have to, it's saying switch to Boost Mobile, but it's not really saying you have to port your number or anything. It's just saying you have to start a new line. So as long as you get Boost Mobile service, you can, get a chance to win $1 million, which I've actually seen people win money before when Boost Mobile has done, sweepstakes and different other entries. Like I said, personally, I've seen people in my local store actually win. I didn't personally give them an award or anything like that, but I've like I said, I've seen some people post on a group chat saying that they actually were able to win, and I've even seen people win like tablets and phones for free and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So $1 million is a pretty big deal, honestly. So why not? Like I said, so you can see, I read the rules and they're pretty simple. And it's $1 million. I mean, geez, that's gonna change someone's life, So it's pretty cool. So let me know in the description below. Well, let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. Are you gonna enter? What are you going to do with that $1 million if you do win it? Hopefully I win it. And there's more to come. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and there you go. Become a millionaire with Boost Mobile. That's pretty cool. So thank you.